On October 9, 2012, Michael Castro and I took shelter from a rain shower at the Gamboa Rainforest Resort in Panama. From our sheltered position, we saw a great Kiskadee perched nearby. Michael, who is a nature guide at the nearby Canopy Tower, had a telescope, so we focused it on the Kiskadee, allowing me to digiscope this video footage. The Great Kiskadee is a common species of tyrant flycatcher in Panama. Its range stretches from South America to the Rio Grande Valley in Texas, as well as to some of the Caribbean islands. The bird is named for its loud, repeated Kiskadee call. You heard a Great Kiskadee calling during the opening credits. In 1832, when Charles Darwin was in South America during his voyage on the Beagle, he saw many Great Kiskadees. Darwin said that the Spaniards thought the bird was saying "Bien te veo," which means "I see you well," and that is what they called the species. These loud and raucous birds have numerous other vocalizations. There is a smaller species called the lesser Kiskadee who has a different call. This footage allows you to see the Great Kiskadee's golden crown. The tyrant flycatcher's crown stands out in the rain.